OK，他9岁了。Yes, yes. So Mingji from Korea have one son, 9 years old. Samuel from England is English teacher. No children. He doesn't want to have children. He said because he said 不要孩子 right? So remember, first he said 我没有孩子 so I don't have children. And then he said 我不要孩子 practice another word. So here 不要 don't want, so 不要孩子 right? Yes. And Mingji said the son 9 years old. We learned the number last class, right? Oh, yes. So we will practice after that. Okay, next. Yes. Yeah, okay.
我叫 Melina. 我是菲律宾人。我有3个孩子。我退休了。
Finish? Nice. Wow, you improved. Now your pronunciation very good. Yes, good. And she is from Philippines, has 3 children, now retired. See, very clear. Next. So when other classmates speak, you try to listen, see how many percent you can understand. Don't worry. Even you only can understand 5%, 10%, 50%, doesn't matter because now it's beginning. Because some students, they also use some word we didn't learn. So you just try to listen because everyone has their own accent. If in the class, you can understand more the classmates. So your listening getting better and better. Because when we go out, not everyone speak very standard Mandarin, right? So the listening can practice here. You will see, you will understand more and more. Okay, next. Who try? Okay.
大家好，我叫 Jeremy， 我已经结婚12年了，我有2个孩子，2个女儿，大女儿10岁，小女儿6岁。谢谢。
Okay, very good. Yes. So she had 2 children, 2 daughters. Yes. One 10, one is 6. Yes. Also very clear. And she's married. Yes. Next. All correct grammar. Yes. Also pronunciation is good. Next one. Okay.
我是Alisa。我是英国人。
英国人。England.
No.
Russia. Russia we say 俄罗斯。Yes. 俄罗斯 Yes. 俄罗斯人。
我有丈夫。
Yes.
他叫 Stan。我是36岁。我没有孩子。
Yes, correct. Nah. So she's from Russia, 36 years old. 36 years old, has husband, no children. See, very clear. Grammar also correct. Pronunciation good. Next one. Yes.
我是什么？我是20人。我是
26岁。26岁。25岁。Okay, 25岁。25, right? Okay.
我是danska.
Yes.
我有朋友。我有朋友. How can I say? His name is
how to say my name? Yeah, exactly. Like my name is Linda. I say 我叫 this one. Here, right? 我叫 Linda. So then if you say my friend, so the same. Yes. 他叫 So I have friend. His name is da da. That's English. So okay, 我有朋友. So in English, his name is da da da. So Chinese just use subject verb. Remember? So how to say? Yes. So 我有朋友，他叫da da da. Because if you say my name, just say 我叫 right? Yes. Then?
他叫Borhan. 他有
孩子 Yeah, 孩子 Hanzi is a character. 孩子 Yes. So he had children?
And 他有交换
结婚 is a verb. So 他结婚了 Yeah, no need 有 他结婚了 He married. Yes. Okay, yes. See, practice. You try, then you know. You learn faster. Good. Next one. Yes.
我叫雷亚。我是美国人。我不是单身。我有一个老公，他叫 Anthony。他是美国人。
他也是。
我们都40岁。我们没有孩子。
Very good. Good pronunciation. Yes, very good. So from US, she said has one husband. Only one husband. But that's why it's good to practice here. So yes, and with husband both American and 40 years old, right? So very clear and very good pronunciation. Yes, grammar only that yeah change, other all correct. 很好 Next one. Just try. If no more, okay.
早上好，我是 Gabriele， 我是德国人，我的丈夫是意大利人，我是 Gabriele， 她是妈妈，那她是我的妈妈。
Okay, so Gabriela from Germany, her husband from Italy. Yes? Now pronunciation good. Improved, yes. Next one, yes.
早上好，我是伊娜，我是乌克兰人，我叫Helen。我有老公，他也是乌克兰人。我们一个孩子，或者
我们有一个孩子。
我们有一个孩子。
Because need the verb, yes.
我的儿子
39?
No, 13 years. 13.
Yes. If you say 30 means he's 13 years old. It's a big boy. So you want to say 13 is 13, right? Yes, okay. Finish?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, just remember the sentence always need to have verb. So 我们有一个孩子. Yes, so she's from Ukraine. Her husband, her one son is 13 years old. Okay. Okay, now finish.